Hi everyone, I have come back from my vacations with my family, so I didn't have much time to prepare my reading challenge. However, I still want to fulfill my reading challenge by reading aloud one of my favorite paragraphs in chapter 5, part 2, Girl Gone or Boy Gone. In this chapter, we will know how our cat will identify the gender of the girl or boy to to have a name for her or him. Let's start. Oh, well, what can this old tar do for your poor bird? Seven Seas asked. You alone, who know the secrets of the sea, can tell us if the chick is a boy gone or a girl gone, the colonel replied. They led him to where the chick was happily sleeping off a bit of a squeak provided by Secretariat, who, following the colonel's order, had been put in charge of the food detail. Seven Seas reached out a paw, examined the chick's head, and then lifted the feathers beginning to sprout out the chick's rear. The chick looked at Joba with frightened eyes. Clicking crab claws, the ocean-going cat proclaimed, amused. This is a pretty little girl gone, who someday is going to lay as many eggs as I have hairs on my tail. Joba licked the little girl's head. He regretted that he hadn't asked the mother what her name was, because if the daughter was destined to continue the flight so tragically interrupted by human indifference, it would be nice if she had her mother's name. Considering that the trick had the good fortune to end up under our protection, the colonel said, I propose that we call her Lucky. Gaping grouper girls, now there are rather pretty name for you. Seven Seas cheered. I recall a beautiful jack I once saw in the Pontic. That's what her name, too, and she was white all over, just like this young gun. I know in this heart our bambina's gonna do something great. She's for sure. Her name's gonna be in that big book, number 12, letter L. Secretarial added. Everyone was in favor of the name proposed by the colonel. The five cats formed a circle around the little gun, rose up on their hind legs, and, joining their front paws to make a canopy over the trick, they marked the baptismal ritual of the cats of the board. We salute you, lucky, dear to all podcasts. Ahoy, ahoy, ahoy. Seven Seas yawned joyfully.